Hey, so I'm Sean, I'm 42, I'm from Texas, United States. I decided to go with Zara because I looked them up and they had a lot of great things. And ever since I got to the Springlands Hotel, they have breakfast, lunch, and dinner, great accommodations. And the guides were amazing. I never would have made it to the top without Kabila and Amani.
And I am Megarry, I'm from France. It's the same than Sean. I looked up on Zara on the internet and they were well recommended, so I followed my guts and came here, and we are very welcome in Springlands Hotel, and we met our wonderful guides Kabila and Amali and their team, which was great from the beginning to the end, and we made it to the top.
Yeah, and I like that the porters were amazing, the food was amazing, they have your tent set up before you even get there, they have food ready, they bring it to your tent, and they gave us the option because they were looking at weather that when we got to Karanga camp, pushed up to Barafu, they said it might be best to try to summit right now because the weather tomorrow is going to be bad. So they gave us options of when we wanted to summit, and that's how we were able to do it, and they helped push us up the whole time. I mean, I know for myself, I wouldn't have made it if it wasn't for them pushing you on. You're almost there, take a break if you need it, catch your breath, drink some water. They'll even carry your gear if you're just dying, and they were amazing.
Yeah, they listened to all our needs, and on top of the food, which was great, and the tents, etc., we could have hot water in the morning to wash ourselves, and they were very, very caring about how well we were feeling, and it made the difference for us, I think.
Yeah, they even stop along the trail to point out monkeys and stop the car to show you zebras and chameleons, and they have answers to every question. How much longer is it to this camp? What's the elevation to that camp? They know everything off the top of their head. It was great.
So to sum up, please feel free to go with Zara Tour and choose Kabila and Amali. They are so wonderful.
Yeah, I wouldn't have made it without them. Yep.